Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about an airdrop that actually feels useful in crypto and blockchain space. This one's from a project called ETHGas, and it is trying to fix one of the biggest headaches on Ethereum, those wild, unpredictable gas fees. Think of it as building a blockchain futures market for Ethereum. They are creating a system to help stabilize gas fee prices, allow for real-time settlements, and give you lightning-fast transaction confirmations. Right now, they are running a community campaign where you can earn loyalty points. They call them beans. It is ongoing, so you can still jump in, and they've got some serious backing. They just announced a $12 million seed round led by Polychain capital, which is a pretty big deal. First, you'll want to visit their official onboarding page. Just click to connect and authorize your X account. They need this to verify who you are, track your rewards, and let you into your dashboard. And as soon as you're successfully connect, you'll automatically get your first 10 beans dropped to you, and you'll be given founding member status. Now let's hop over to the dashboard section. You'll see this little boy that looks like a baby. He's the gas fee expert around here. First thing you gotta do is link your wallet right here. Just connect it and boom. You will get some points just for that. After that, you can knock out the available social quests, stuff like following them on X, joining their Discord or Telegram. There aren't any daily tasks right here. Just complete these ones and you are good. For boost your chances with this airdrop, here are a few quick tips to make the most of it. First off, for the best result, use a wallet that's seen some action, like one you use for DeFi trading, NFT mints, or just regular transactions. The more historical activity, the better. Don't worry, you don't need to make any new transactions or spend gas fee. It is a read-only check, so they are just scanning your wallet's past activity. And lastly, be sure to check the dashboard every so often. They might drop new quests or chapters and you won't want to miss out.